Bale, yung instruction mo po, ma'am, is sa sa first two sentences po ng results, it should be indicated na po talaga yung answer and then or yung category mean po ng per table.
Yes. The mean and the interpretation. Para pag ang answer mangutanang panel, what is the level of exposure in terms of duration? Makita dayon na siya sa first to second sentences sa imuhang introductory part. Okay? Ana. Tapos, ang succeeding sentences, ana, pwede na ninyo ni-discuss na students spend more time watching actually naglibog jud ko mga inani kay usually percentage man gud ang ako ang in orientation. Pero okay na ni inyong analysis, mag-ask lang ta ay naning mga mean na naka open close parenthesis, pwede man ninyo ni i-embed yun mismo sa paragraph kay nga no, dili siya friendly. Na mean equals 2.81, pwede man with the mean score of or with the mean value of 2.81. Nakuha nyo?
Yes po,
Or
ma'am.
pwede po na igrupo ninyo. Na for example, moderately high, igrupo ninyo, tapos ang isa, ang moderately low. Tapos mingon lang ka na moderately high as indicated by their mean values of 2.81, 2.83, 2.6, 2.66 respectively. Ana. However, there's also students also manifest more express or indicate a moderately low level when they spend more time watching political infotainment on TikTok, yada yada yada. Ana, which is indicated by 2.13. So when you present your analysis, you can group them na pwede ninyo unahon pag-present ang moderately high and then you present the moderately low. Okay? Nakuha?
Noted po, ma'am.
Pero ang problema gyud ani duration, okay? Pero wala ko'y nakita sa inyong discussion or sa inyong result na nag-mention of even one duration. And duration is actually defined as 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 minutes. Nakuha nyo? So wala yun siya. So that is why very important and significant na makita dito sa inyuhang interpretation sa methodology na ang 30 minutes in a single session is moderately high. Ang 60 seconds kay moderately high gyapon or whatsoever. Okay?
Yes,
Ana.
ma'am.
Masabtan pa ba ko? Basin na-overwhelm na mo ha?
Yes, po.
Di na ako nihilabtan ang frequency kay mo ka mangyapong istorya basis. Okay man inyong discussion kay gibutangan ng gi-embed naman ninyo inyong mga literature. But I have a question. Kani bang gipamutang ninyo na literature na ba ni sa inyong RRL?
Yes po.
Yes po,
Lahat?
ma'am.
Yes po.
Lahat po, ma'am. Siguro
Okay.
hindi lang siya kasi yung in-access ko din kasi yung PDF for the first time, ma'am. Yun din po yung naglabas. Kasi separate po kami na devices nag-work ni Russell for the formatting po. So lahat po ng namin is based po talaga siya sa RRL na ginamit namin for the study po talaga, ma'am.
Okay. So now, if you have found literature or studies that are not part of the RRL pero makasupport siya sa inyong result, then you will get that study and you will just add it sa inyong RRL. Pwede man in-add.
Yes po,
Okay?
ma'am.
Baka lang ba? Tapos you observe APA when you are discussing like kung tulo na gadi na ka-authors et al na siya. So for example, Otto et al. 2017. So pag more than 3 authors et al na gyud na siya, dili ka pwede na tulo ka book ang authors na mugawa sa discussion.
Yes,
Okay.
Unless kung inventory technique. Are you following?
Yes po, ma'am. How about in the case po na dalawang authors po? Kasi end di ba yan, ma'am? Pero ano ba yun,
Yes.
Chay? Symbol gamitin or i-type talaga yung end?
May dalawa kasi ang in-text citation. There are two types. Pag ano lang siya, outside the parentheses na in-text, then you use the AMD, and. Pero, for example, Otto and Glugger. Otto and Glugger, open and close parentheses, 2017. Ang naka-open and close parentheses ang year lang, di ba? So, and ang gamitin. Pero, if the author's name is enclosed in the parentheses, that's the time that you will use the ampersand or the symbol. Are you following?
Sige. Yes po, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, so if the authors are enclosed in the parentheses, then you use the symbol. Pero if it's outside, you use the spelled out or the complete spelling of A and B. Okay?
Yes po.
All right. Now, sana. Ito pala overall mean. Anyway, table 2 provides a synthesize and how long the over result is 2.73. Interestingly, pwede dili mo magamit og open close parenthesis na mean equals kuan kay dili jud siya friendly. No, very statistical ka kaayo siya. So, i-integrate ninyo with the mean score of, with the blah blah blah, with the standard deviation of, yada yada. Okay? Tanggalin
Okay.
lang ano kay dili siya ano. Ano pa ba ang mga wait lang be, moderately ay saglit. RRL naman ko'y nalimutan ko. Saglit. Statistical data, small. Ayun na mga statistical data. As shown in Table 4, Gen Z students of Ateneo de Davao University, ani gyud ni siya data. Dili
Okay
jud ka
po.
pwede na magsugod pag naay table, pag introduce nimo ana, dili ka mo diretso sa result. Imo sang i-introduce ang table. That's actually the structure ba. Magagod siya og the pattern in introducing the table. Dili pwede na category, the table 4 shows there is a standard mean of 0.73. Dili ka pwede ana. Ani gyud na siya permanente. You need to observe it in across all tables ha kung naka-follow mo ani. Like table 4 shows the level of political literacy of students in terms of political knowledge. Period. Nakuha
Okay
nyo?
po. Yes
You
po,
need
ma'am.
to introduce what the table is about first before telling us about the result. Alright? And the second, again, the result should be the answer to the statement of the problem. Saan na yun? Tapos, naglibog ko, tanggalin ninyo ning mga namoy ginabutang na items 3 and items 4, pero when I look at the table, wala may item number. Nag-ingon, for example, let me go to example lang ha. Naman mo, page 41. Awan ninyong page 41. Anak mo dire, sa last paragraph. Items 3 pag na nakalagay. Item 3 and item 4 in the questionnaire gauge the grammatical erroneous niya, gauge respondents' level of internal efficacy. The question now is, asang item 4 ug item 3? Asa man dire? Kaning staying informed?
Yes po.
Pero wala siya nakabutang. Butangin yung number. Item 1. 1. I feel confident. 2. I believe I know enough. 3. Staying informed. Are you following?
Yes
Yes
po,
po.
ma'am.
So at least naatay basis. And then again, do not use screenshot. Use a real table na kanang pwede ma-edit APA form. Dili na ako basahon ang inyong mga discussion na mga literature. Pero murag napansin ako na embed man ninyo inyong mga theories dire. No?
Yes po, ma'am.
Now, adto ko diri sa level o naamoy naamoy title na level of exposure in terms of duration and frequency. Mo na ang first subtitle. Second subtitle, ang ingon na di ba ni Ma'am Judith no, kay level of exposure lang no. Wait lang. And then yun nato sa inyong results and discussion ha. Level of exposure of Gen Z students on sa to? Kalimot ba kasi yung title eh. Masa ganito? Exposure to saglit.
Ano po? Exposure to political infotainment and political...
Okay. Ane. Tapos ang second variable is political literacy, tama?
Yes po.
Pasensya na ha, ang akong utok ba kay Mora na jud
Okay lang,
nag-battlefield na jud siya. So I'm sorry kung medyo ako basta nagbalik-balik akong story ba kay Mora. Inani jud ko pagkatulog na. Anyway, naatay sa inyuhang results and discussion. Since naaman tayo tulo ka statement of the problems, so dapat natay tulo ka titles or tulo ka subtitles. Are you following?
Yes.
First, level of exposure to TikTok political infotainment of Gen Z students. Okay? Tapos naamoy isa pa sa sulod ana na title or sa under ana na title is level of exposure of Gen Z students to TikTok political infotainment in terms of duration. Tapos another subtitle under the first statement of the problem, level of exposure of students in terms of frequency. Okay? So again, under the title of level of exposure of Gen Z students to political infotainment are two subtitles. Kasi dalawa man ang indicators nyo. Are you following? Now, second title, level of political literacy of Gen Z students. Alright? Under the title are three subtitles. Level of political literacy of Gen Z students in terms of political knowledge. Second, ito na ka mag-discuss, yada-yada. Another subtitle, level of political literacy in terms of, civic activities. So, ganun siya pag-title. Next title, kay relationship between relationship between exposure of students to political infotainment and political literacy of Gen Z students. So again, sa results and studies nyo, may tatlong major titles. Each major title should have the subtitles or the minor titles that represent your indicators. Are you following? Now, dito sa page 48, wala lagi siya confirmation of theory. Ay, nakita na nako. Alas. Okay. Pero wala mo synthesis of results, no? Wala nagpabutang si Ma'am Judith?
Wala man siyang gisabi, ma'am.
Sige lang, kung mangayo ang inyong kay ako nagapabutang manggod ko. Iano lang sa inyong because usually manggod pag results in discussion, it does not end with a literature. It ends with the confirmation of your theory. I-confirm na ninyo ang theory. So you can have your synthesis na here of the result and the theory. Synthesis of results corresponding the theory. Ako butang the corresponding. Wait. Synthesis of results confirming the theory. Wait. Last paragraph na siya. Dapat, again, this is my orientation talaga in all researches that I've made. At the last paragraph of the results and discussion should be your word confirming the framework or the theory that you use. All right? Now, punta tayo. Are you following?
Yes po.
Punta tayo sa page 49. Summary of findings, conclusion, and recommendation. The level of exposure, I do not make it so complicated. Ano lang the level exposure, small letters lang ito. Ayun ning mga capital na capital yung mga the level of
Okay
kuan
po,
lang
ma'am.
ni siya, small letters lang ito.
Pero numbered pa rin siya, ma'am.
Tama ni siyang 1, tapos 1.1, 1.2.
Okay po.
It should appear the way you presented your statement of the problem.
Yes po, ma'am. Noted po.
Pero nga, lalahi naman lagi na inyong interpretation. Ang inyong interpretation is moderately high, pero nga nung moderate exposure man eh.
Ay, baka na mali lang po yan, ma'am.
Moderately high.
Moderately high.
Panalibat.
Ani siya ha. Ayun na mga it was determined, blah, blah, blah. Oy, ani lang the level of exposure to TikTok political infotainment among Gen Z students of Ateneo de Davao is as follows. 1.1. In terms of duration, Gen Z students has a moderately high exposure as indicated by their mean value of 2.61 or with the mean value of 2.61. In terms of frequency, the level of exposure of Gen Z students to political infotainment is moderately high with a mean value of, or as indicated by their mean value of 2.85. Ano lang? Okay? Do not use na it was determined to have a section mean, blah, blah. Use the word mean value.
Mean value.
Okay? Mean value. Alright. So, mo-answer lang siya, di ba? Ang inyo kamang question type. Is there what is the level of exposure in terms of duration? Ang inyong ibutang lang diri is the level of exposure of students in terms of duration is high. Ano lang? Pero dungagan natin yung 2.61. Ano lang?
Yes po.
Okay? Now, inana gyapon sa pag-answer sa number 2. Like, the level of political literacy among the students at Ateneo is as follows. 2.1. In terms of political knowledge, the level of exposure, naman day among, asang mga Ateneo di Davao, Gen Z students kayo ang dapat. Di ba? Gen Z, nawala lagi ang Gen Z diri. Paki-change lang, dapat
Yes,
mo
po,
appear
ma'am.
ang Gen Z, kay mo man ang nasa yung statement of the problem.
Yes po.
So, in terms of political knowledge, the students have moderately, high political, inani ba ang inyong interpretation? Balikan ako. Moderately high, mangyapon, dili man high political literacy. Di ba? Wala may high political exposure.
Yes po.
Right?
Baka na, lang po yan sa wording po.
I-change ninyo ning wording. Dapat, kanang parallel ta sa inyong result.
Yes po.
Okay?
Po.
Significance number 3, diliin ani ang pag-present. Dapat unsa ganito yung question number 3, is there a significant relationship between between exposure and political literacy? The number 3 should be a sentence. Number 3 should be like this. The level of exposure of Gen Z students, is there a significant relationship? So the answer is, there is a significant, as a resulted in the rejection. Sa mani. Uy, you know what? Wait lang. You know what? When you are going to use the p-values kasi tayo pag significance. Bakit hindi wala din ako siya diba sa lagdan. Asa
man ang inyong relationship? Asa yung relationship? Page, asa yung relationship?